It's okay.
above and below.
It's okay.
Is that cut?
Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Well, I don't want the whole piece to break away and have to chase her with it. Can you get in the tongue? You know what I mean?
Here?
No. This is what's stuck. Can you cut this one there?
I can't without cutting the dog.
No. See if you. No. See. Yeah. See if you can. No, you
No.
can't even get in there. Shit. I don't want her to run away with that piece. You know what I
But
mean?
I think if I cut enough of
I don't.
this
okay.
away,
But it's stuck in between that and below. We need to get in there.
it's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. All right. You got to get in there because that's what's. Okay. I got it.
Okay.
Cut down here.
Okay.
Right in
Good
there.
idea.
Hey, how many cuts did you do?
A couple.
Already?
Yep.
Hold on.
Shoot this stuff in there.
The bottom is.
Kane wants video.
I already.
Are you good?
It's okay, baby.
Good night. You're all right.
You're good. You're good. Take snaps.
It's
No. See, that's what's gonna happen. I don't want her to do that. We gotta get in there under that tongue.
No, we're gonna be good.
All right.
We're good because I loosened these two already. It's okay, baby.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, but
okay.
as soon as I loosen these two, so as soon as I disconnect this
She's gonna-
from here, she's gonna be free.
No. All
I'm
right.
telling you.
Oh, you're gonna pull it upwards. I got you. It's like a.
I gotta take this. So I got this
About
cut
the middle one. That smack
right here.
That smack the
Below
middle.
it,
Like straight up
in the-
lower.
in the
those,
mouth here.
Those. You just break it apart, make it into two pieces.
Just don't want
There
her
you
to
go.
be free with pieces still
There
stuck
it
around
is,
her
there
snout.
it is,
There we go. There we go.
Yep.
Hey!
She's
Yeah, good girl.
You got a treat.
You won't do that again.
Good girl.
It's Cujo friendly.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, baby.
There we go.
Hi, baby.
Good job, man, Freddie.